Hey, it's me again. I have a question. So, I came across this story that I need help understanding. Exploding toilet at a Dunkin' store in Florida left a customer filthy and injured, lawsuit claims. So, apparently, a customer filed a lawsuit against Dunkin', claiming he was injured by an exploding toilet at one of the coffee shop's locations in Florida. So he's seeking a little bit more than $100,000 due to suffering severe and long-term injuries. After the explosion, he was left covered in human feces, urine, and debris.
Fire in the hole!
He then walks out of the restroom, of course covered and smelling horrendous, seeking help from workers and the store manager. Would you help? An employee told him they were aware of the problem with the toilet because there were previous incidents. What? How is this possible? What would you do in this particular situation? I don't know. You tell me. I'm just trying to fill my brain gap.